Welcome. In this video you're going to learn how to add shade in your transparent glass with the use of gradient. First, you create a new layer by pressing this icon. Then you use your magnetic laser tool. This tool helps you snap selection around edges. You then click on add selection to enable you select the other eyes. Then you select the gradient tools. Under the preset, you select basic and use this setting. Then you click OK. Then place your cursor here and drag down like this. Press Ctrl D to deselect. You can see before and after. Before and after. You have just learned how to create a shade on the transparent glass using the gradient tool. Keep practicing and keep creating. If you have any question or comment, please write on the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share. Thanks for watching, and look out for more educational videos on Photoshop. Thank you.